Hey, welcome back. This is the video I'm really excited to introduce you with Doplac white label feature. This is the feature will allow you to integrate your custom domain, customize the CRM with your brand logo, brand color, and offering your client or audience a complete CRM solution that carries your brand, your logo, and your unique identity. So let's see how you can explore or how you can utilize Doplac white label feature. So let's start with setting up the custom domain. After sign in, click on white label from the left menu under the general. Then click on domain to add your domain. Before adding your domain, you have to keep in mind that you have to add app.your domain name. So I'm gonna add app.my domain name. Okay, here it is. Then I'm gonna click on add domain. This is the CRM record that I have to add on my DNS server, domain DNS, to configure the domain with my Doplac CRM. So I'm going to my domain DNS. Okay, so this is the domain. Then I'm going to click on advanced. I'm going to add a new CNAME record. Click on add new record. I'm going to choose CNAME. The host will be app. Then paste the target value here. Copy it from here. Okay, then I'm going to paste my target value here. Then click on save changes. Okay, so it's done. Then I'm going back to my Doplac. It could take a little bit to update the DNS. It's depending on your internet, and I'm going to click on check status. Yes, it's updated. My domain is configured. Now change your brand name or agency name from the sign up page. It's Doplac default, so I'm going to change it to agency CRM. Okay, then click on save changes. And if you want to go back to the default, just click on reset default whenever you want. Then I'm going to change the logo from the sign up or login page. Here it is. Just click on upload. Choose a logo from the media library, or you can upload it from your computer too. Okay, then click on save changes. Here it is. The first thing is completed. Then let's change your company logo from the dashboard. Here it is. To change the logo, click on here. Upload your company logo. I'm going to choose the logo that I have used. Okay, save changes. You can also change the fave icon. So I'm going to change the fave icon from here. Okay, then click on save changes. Now it is the time to actually customize the domain with a brand color. So just click on color settings, and here it is. You have all the flexibility, you have all the option to customize the CRM, every single option with your brand color. So I'm not going to change it to make the video short. You can find them all of here, all the options. That you have to make it sure after changing one thing, you have to click on save changes. Or if you want to go back to the default, just you have to click on reset default. So, okay, when you're done with, to check it out, just go app.123crms.com. Here it is. This is the domain I have integrated now. Look at the condition. Everything has changed. The logo has changed. The name of the CRM from the login page has changed. This is all about Doplac white label features. You can customize the CRM with your brand logo, with the brand color, and hosted it on your custom CRM. So sign up today to explore Doplac white label feature. Thank you for watching.